That plays a huge role in how quickly you adapt to new stimulus. What you got to understand is women hypertrophy at different rates to men because they have a different starting point in most cases.
That's right.
They have less muscle mass to start with, so the process is slower. It's like getting two people to run 100 meters, but one of them gets a 20-meter head start. Of course, the person with a 20-meter head start is going to outperform the person if they're both at the same level. Women have different hormonal profiles than men, we know that, but that doesn't mean nutrition affects them differently,
Yeah.
you know?
Men have more testosterone, but that doesn't mean that you train differently. Women still have testosterone in their system. The only thing that's really different about women is when they go through menopause. And when they go through menopause, they become more insulin resistant, which is the way that the body reacts to carbohydrate and the way that you have to, start to modify the macronutrients that you have so that you don't put on too much, you don't store too much in your fat.
In the old days, they used to suggest training women slightly differently, not because of the fact that they lack strength inherently, because there was this fear of women getting actually strong and developing muscle. But this is a stigma, a dogma, a belief system that has been plaguing the world, society for a long time. And that in and of itself has held women back and created this belief that they need to be treated differently. But the reality is, and the question comes up a lot around nutrition, and people know that I'm a proponent of intermittent fasting, and every time I do a course or a presentation to a group of people, there's always a few questions from women saying, but how does it affect women? And the reality is there is no scientific literature that supports the fact that it affects women any differently. There's really no literature that supports that notion. It doesn't affect women any differently. Yeah. And nutrition doesn't affect women any differently.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.